Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. If you're tired of paying those hefty cable bills every month, then you need to listen up. We've got the ultimate solution for you, the 2024 upgraded TV antenna for smart TVs with a whopping 880 miles range. This indoor TV antenna is a game changer. Say goodbye to pixelated images and hello to full HD channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, and so much more. And the best part? It's completely free. That's right, no subscription fees, just pure entertainment. But wait, it gets even better. The installation process is a breeze, taking only 3 minutes to set up. With an extra long 20 feet coaxial cable, you'll have the freedom to place the antenna almost anywhere in your home. Plus, the elegant design makes it a stylish addition to any room. And here's the cherry on top, a lifetime warranty. That's how confident we are in the quality of our product. So, what are you waiting for? Cut the cord and grab your 2024 upgraded TV antenna for smart TVs. Now check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this must-have gadget. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy streaming, folks.